My name's Callie. I'm a pediatric school occupational therapist, and I wanted to share one of my favorite tools with you guys. This is for regulation, both sensory and emotional regulation. This is a great tool. If you've never heard of it, it's called the Zones of Regulation. This is basically what the program is. So basically we talk about regulation in terms of colors. So it's just a way for kids to understand where their body is. So first of all, I always talk about the green zone. The green zone is where you're calm and ready to work. That's where we want our body to be in. And then there's other zones. So blue is sad, sick, tired, bored. Yellow is frustrated, worried, silly, excited. And then red is angry. So basically, as I provide sensory adaptations, as I provide calming strategies, kids can use those to get their body back into the green zone. So first they have to be able to identify what zone their body is in. So let me show you an activity that I usually do with the kids. So this is just a bunch of feelings and like states of our body. So happy, frustrated, all the things that I just explained. So I will cut these out and I will have kids organize them and be able to place them in the zones so that I know that they can identify where their body is. So that's where we start. After that, then we can start to teach them tools for regulation. So another thing that I will provide them with this diagram to use in their classroom, to use at home. And then also I've just found, which I have to reprint, but basically it's the tools to use for the zones. If you're in the yellow zone, what do? Well, maybe we need a movement break. Maybe we need a different kind of chair. If we're in the sad zone, maybe we need to do some deep breaths. Maybe we need to talk to someone. Then we can write down all of our tools and also have this as a strategy visual page that we can have access to throughout the day. I really like this tool. It's for kids who definitely have to be able to have the cognitive ability to identify where they're at, but for kids who have some trouble regulating their body, but they have a great understanding of what's going on, this is a great program to use. I highly recommend it. I've printed a lot and I will be implementing it with one of my clients this week. So hope that helps.